Thank you for watching. This is Vicky at patternprincess.com. Today I'm going to show you how I add color and change color to my granny squares. It's just really a simple method here. Just to let you know what colors we're working with. Some folks ask for the color. This is perfect pink. The other one is charcoal. And these are red heart today. And the hook size does call for size I on the package, but I happen to be using size G today because I actually wanted a little bit tighter weave to this. So I'm going to join this charcoal to this pink, and let me get started for you. So the first thing I do, and you could start this in a corner, any of the holes that you'd like to start it in, but I always like to leave a longer tail because you know me and how I like to yarn it over quite a bit and make sure that I get it weaved in. So, okay, there's my little slip knot. So make yourself a slip knot. And then we're going to just start. So I'm going to start, I think, in this corner here, right here. I'm going to yarn over, and I'm just going to pull through, okay? It's like a slip knot. But then, because this is a slip knot here, you can just pull this tight, and your color is added. Then I'm going to continue on with the pattern. So 1, 2, 3 for my granny square, yarn over, and do my double crochet, and then I did my chain. I'm going to do my 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. This is actually a pattern that I'm making. I have no idea what I'm going to end up making yet. I liked the pink, and I just started making granny squares, and I asked my daughter what she thought I should do with it. I'm in the corner now, so I'm doing my 3 double crochet and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And my daughter said, and now another 3 double crochet. But my daughter said that I should add grays around it. So I have a darker gray for this one, and so I really have no idea what the end result's going to be yet, but anyways, as you can see, I'm just going to continue on. When I get to the end, of course, I'm going to weave this in, and I'll weave in the other ends. But as you can see, I've changed the color. Now, if you take a look real close at my first row here, and you tell me where I changed the color. Can you see? You cannot see. At least I can't see, and I'm in person looking at it. We'll hold it up real close. So what you would do is I would just weave in the ends, and you snip it off, and you cannot see where you've weaved in the ends. Here's the back if you wanted to see that. I think it gives it a nice real clean look, and it's just very easy to do. So enjoy making your granny square. Change colors as often as you like. And again, you can keep granny squares going and make a big blanket out of it if you wish. Just keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger, or you can take them and you can join them together. I also have a different video on doing the invisible join. Whichever you choose to do. Enjoy changing colors and making your work beautiful and choosing your colors that go together well. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see any of my patterns, make sure that you hop on over to patternprincess.com on my website, and then also subscribe if you'd like to keep up on any kind of videos I post on how-to videos on crochet. On the website, I also have some recipes that our family uses, so just hope that you enjoy what we're sharing with you, and this inspires you to create as well. Have a wonderful day.